Monks show power of forgiveness, transform thief's life. Once upon a time, nestled in the remote folds of the majestic Himalayan mountains, there existed a peaceful village inhabited by wise and compassionate Buddhist monks. These monks held a profound belief in the transformative power of compassion and forgiveness. Their lives were dedicated to spreading love, understanding, and harmony throughout the world. One day, the tranquility of the village was shattered when a notorious thief arrived and unleashed a wave of chaos upon the unsuspecting villagers. Night after night, the thief stealthily stole from the hard-working villagers, leaving them impoverished and filled with despair. The villagers, desperate to put an end to the thief's reign of terror, sought the help of the authorities. Word of the thief's misdeeds reached the ears of the wise monks, who recognized an opportunity for something greater. Instead of advocating for harsh punishment, the monks proposed an alternative path. They approached the authorities and requested that the thief be given a chance to change his ways, to learn the true meaning of life and the power of compassion. Though skeptical, the authorities agreed to the monks' proposition. The thief was taken to the monastery, where he would live among the monks and learn from their wisdom. At first, the thief was apprehensive and uncertain, surrounded by people whose lives were dedicated to kindness and forgiveness. However, as time passed and he immersed himself in the monks' teachings, a transformation began to unfold within him. The monks taught the thief about the importance of empathy, selflessness, and the art of letting go. They shared stories of forgiveness and the immense power it held to heal not only the forgiven but also the forgiver. Day by day, the thief's heart softened, and he started to understand the true essence of life. News of the thief's remarkable change spread throughout the village. The once skeptical villagers began to glimpse a glimmer of hope, witnessing the thief's journey from darkness into light. They marveled at the monks' unwavering faith in the thief's potential for transformation. However, just as the thief's newfound identity as a beacon of hope was taking root, a traveler arrived in the village, accusing the reformed thief of stealing from him. Doubt clouded the villagers' hearts as they struggled to reconcile their beliefs in the thief's transformation with the traveler's claims. Amidst the rising tensions, the monks stood firmly by the thief's side, ready to defend him with their lives. They understood that a single act of accusation should not erase the profound change the thief had undergone. They had seen the thief's transformation with their own eyes and believed in the power of compassion to change lives. Days turned into nights, and the tension in the village reached its peak. Just as darkness threatened to overpower the flickering flame of hope, a remarkable event occurred. The traveler, burdened by the weight of his accusation, took a step back and truly saw the thief for who he had become. He recognized the thief's transformation, the purity of his heart, and the unwavering faith the monks had placed in him. Filled with remorse, the traveler approached the thief, embracing him in a heartfelt gesture of forgiveness. The village witnessed this remarkable act of compassion and was reminded of the power of forgiveness and redemption. From that day forward, the thief became a symbol of hope, not only for himself but for the entire village. His story traveled far and wide, inspiring others to believe in the potential for change within themselves and the world. The village thrived under the guiding light of compassion and forgiveness, forever grateful for the lessons learned from the thief who had become their greatest teacher. And so, the tale of the thief's transformation reminds us all of the incredible power of compassion and forgiveness. It teaches us that even in the darkest of times, the light of understanding can guide us towards a path of redemption and unity. May we, like the wise monks and the reformed thief, embrace the transformative power of compassion and forgiveness in our own lives.